Welcome to a virtual story time with MidPointe Library. My name is Zay, and I'm excited to share some stories with you today. Are you ready for a story? That's great. If you are, I want you to sing along with me with our welcoming song. You ready? Here's how it goes. If you're ready for a story, clap your hands. If you're ready for a story, clap your hands. If you're ready for a story and you want us all to know it, if you're ready for a story, clap your hands. Good job. I think you're definitely ready for a story. Today, I have a story about something green. Because this time of year, we see a lot of green things. This is a very silly green thing. A green Sasquatch. A Sasquatch who does not like to get wet. He's going to go to the pool anyway. This book is called Don't Splash the Sasquatch. Can you say that with me? I know, it's a lot of words. Say it with me. Don't splash the Sasquatch. We're going to hear that a lot in our book, and you can yell it with me if you'd like. Hello, lifeguard Globule. May I please sit by your pool? Of course you may sit by my pool, Senior Sasquatch. I hope I don't get splashed. I do not like my fur to get wet. It gets all squizzle-flied. Okay. Remember, everybody, don't splash the Sasquatch. Excuse me, lifeguard Globule. May I please take a dip in your pool? You see this strange creature here? Of course you may take a dip in my pool, Miss Elephant Shark. But please, don't splash the Sasquatch. Uh-oh, big splash. It's getting a little bit wet. Excuse me, lifeguard Globule. May I please take a dip in your pool? Of course you may take a dip in my pool, Mr. Octo-Rhino. But please, don't splash the Sasquatch. Uh-oh, it's an even bigger splash. Oh no, look at this big creature. Excuse me, lifeguard Globule. May I please take a dip in your pool? Of course you may take a dip in my pool, Miss Goat Whale. But please, don't splash the Sasquatch. Look at that splash. Everyone is wet. Excuse me, lifeguard Globule. May I please take a dip in your pool? Of course you may take a dip in my pool, Miss Loch Ness Monster Space Alien. But please, don't splash the Sasquatch. Sasquatch is not very happy. Oh no, he's been squizzle-fied. We splashed the Sasquatch. We soaked the Sasquatch. We squizzle-fied the Sasquatch. What should we do? Do you know what to do? That's right, we have to dry him off. We must spin the Sasquatch. The tool. We must shimmy the Sasquatch. Again, all of his fur. We must style the Sasquatch. That now he's nice and fancy. I do not like to get splashed, soaked, squizzle-fied, spun, or shimmy. But I love my new style. Oh, Senior Sasquatch, it's time for a pool party. Goodness. Everybody's in. What will happen to Sasquatch? Oh no! I've been re-squizzle-fied. We'll have to do it again. Dry them all off. Give him a new style. It's a pretty silly pool party, wasn't it? Well, this is not the end of our splashing today, because I have another place that we can splash, the bathtub. This is about some other silly creatures in the bathtub. An elephant. That's right, we've got another green elephant today. An elephant going for a swim in the bathtub. And you can help me out with this one because our elephant is lonely and he would like some friends to come in and join him in the pool or in the bathtub. And when they come in, they're gonna knock, knock, and we're gonna get a splash, splash. An elephant will say, come on in. Can you do that with me? Can you practice? Ready? Knock, knock, splash, splash. Come on in. Good job. I think you're ready. We'll do some counting as we go. We've got one elephant in the bathtub going for a swim. So, knock, knock, splash, splash. Come on in. And along came a gray elephant. Now there are two elephants in the bathtub. Show me two on your fingers. Good job. Two elephants in the bathtub going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash. Come on in. There's another elephant. What color is this elephant? Right, an orange elephant. How many do we have now? Count them. 1, 2, 3. How many elephants do you think will fit in our bathtub? We've got 3, but there's still more room. 3 elephants in the bathtub going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash. Come on in. Another elephant. How many elephants is this? 1, 2, 3. And one more makes 4. Blue elephant goes in the tub. Do you think there's room for another elephant? Let's find out. 4 elephants in the bathtub going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash. Come on in. 1 more elephant. Pink elephant. We have 4. 1 more makes 5. 5 elephants in the bathtub. Do they all fit? Let's find out. 5 elephants in the bathtub going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash. They all fell in. 5 elephants. There's too many elephants in our bathtub, I think. Well, that is the end of our stories and songs about going for a swim, getting a little too wet. We've got one more song to sing if you would like to sing our goodbye song with us. But if you're looking for more programs and fun things to do, you can check out our website or our program guide for all kinds of fun things to do at the library. But now, let's get ready to say goodbye. Can you get your hands ready to wave? Here's how we say goodbye. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We clap our hands for all our friends. We wave goodbye like this. Bye-bye, everybody.